can do it, Rob. I mean, that's why we have these supercomputer models to try to sort out who gets what, and there are several areas that will get several things. So I think that's important to remember. And I've got all sorts of intangibles to talk about as well. Let's check outside, shall we? This is a look at Tower Cam. Nothing going on in downtown Cincinnati, but you just wait, because the precipitation will move in a hurry, and it will increase in intensity very, very rapidly. You really want to get off the roads just in case. I don't want to see anybody stranded anywhere. I'm not saying that's going to happen, because there are several things at play here, but it's wise just to get on home and get off the roads and watch this from the comfort of your couch. This is truly a transition event. We are right smack dab in the middle of 6 inches of snow in our northwestern counties and a flash flood watch in our southeastern counties. In between, we're going to see ice. So you've got all sorts of elements of liquid and frozen precipitation going on within about 75 miles. There are winter storm warnings and ice storm warnings for the entire tri-state. We'll go over that. And there are some intangibles we need to talk about which may soften the blow for some areas, and you'll see what I mean coming up. 22 and 31 today. That's important. We never made it to the freezing point, and I think temperatures will hover this evening right around that 29 and 30 degree mark. We're at 31 right now. Precipitation will start, and I think we'll drop down to around the 30 degree mark. There's our 31. It's cold in Muncie. Indianapolis has already seen moderate to heavy snow. The heaviest snow band will be to the north and northwest of Cincinnati, but we may see the heaviest ice band across Cincinnati. Now here's a look at live precision Doppler 12 HD. Let me review the colors here. White, aqua, this blue color here, that is snow. As you get down into this purple color here, that is freezing rain or sleet. So right now we've got some snow just moving into western Butler County. College Corner has reported a little bit of blowing snow, a little bit of snow shower activity as it starts. Ripley County has definitely seen snow, but I did call out to the McDonald's out there about 12 minutes ago, and they had nothing at all. But that has increased in intensity incredibly over the last 10 minutes. So once it starts, it's going to start picking up very, very rapidly. Now to our south, down in Grant County and down into sections of Owen County, we do have some freezing rain. Western Hamilton County is going to start to see some light snow, and then it's going to pick up here over the next half hour or so. There's that freezing drizzle, freezing rain down in Grant and in Owen County. Anywhere you have this aqua color or blue color, this is some heavy snow. So I think what happens is we start to see snow in Hamilton County. The atmosphere warms up at different levels, and then we start to get into some freezing rain, with the heaviest snowfall totals occurring to the northwest of Cincinnati, and we'll go through all of this. Take a look at visibilities. Visibility down to 1/4 of a mile in Louisville. They have sleet, freezing rain, maybe a little bit of snow. Bloomington has snow, 1/4 mile visibility. Indianapolis, snow, 1/4 mile. That's really, really low visibility, so you know that precipitation is really coming down in a hurry. Here's the snow and the freezing rain as it enters the area. Get rid of that banner there so people can see what's off to the southwest. You can see all of the freezing rain moving up from the southwest. There's some sleet where you see these funky colors down here in the Lexington area. You back up, looks like a huge storm system. It's only going to be with us for about 6 hours tonight, from 6 o'clock tonight or 5:30 until about 11:30 or 12. There are warnings posted. Winter storm warning for our northern counties, Fayette Union, Franklin, Butler, Warren, and also Clinton County, an ice storm warning for everybody else. And for Mason County and Robertson County, get that, a flood watch. They could see 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain to our southeast. I'm going to go through this hour by hour. 7 o'clock tonight, snow in Waynesville. Blue is snow. This purple color is freezing rain or sleet. Green is rain. Snow in Waynesville, Hamilton, Harrison, Florence, in through Versailles. I think this model is right on the money. Vivian, Owenton will probably be in freezing rain. 8 o'clock tonight, still snow in Cincinnati, Harrison, Versailles, Hamilton, and points northwest. You're starting to see that freezing rain increase in intensity. We're going to see a nice swath of that across northern Kentucky that will move into the Cincinnati area around 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. Notice the northwest getting buried with snow, maybe better than 6 inches in places like Fayette and Union County, up through sections of Franklin County and northern sections of Butler County. That is a nice swath of freezing rain. 11 or 12 o'clock tonight. 1 o'clock in the morning, more freezing rain starts to break up, some flurry activity and cloud cover during the daytime hours tomorrow. So, snowfall totals, little if any southeast, 1 to 3 over the metro area. Most of that, I think, occurs early on with the first 2 or 3 hours. Could come down in a hurry. 3 to 6, Hamilton, Harrison, Versailles, Connorsville, Fayette, Union, and northern Franklin County, you're looking at 6 to 8 inches of snow. Ice accumulation, you bet. There could be a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch in places like Blanchester, Batavia, Florence, and in through Walton. How about the intangibles? This will be a quick, very intense storm, 6 hours long. The precipitation rates pick up very quick. Now here's a good one. The higher the rain rate supports lower ice accumulation. So if it really rains like a son of a gun and it's 30 degrees outside, we may not have too many problems in some areas because the more liquid you throw on a frozen surface, the less problem you're going to have. I've seen this before. It may happen tonight, or it may rain at a rate that we do get that ice accumulation. Thunder and lightning indicates enhanced precipitation rates. If you're near lightning or thunder, you can better believe it's going to be coming down. I think problems will occur in heavy snow areas, of course, and in freezing rain pockets. That means we'll see a problem sort of grow up here, over here, over here. We hope they don't all grow together in one big pocket. Here's your 12-hour forecast. By midnight tonight, down to 29, periods of snow and freezing rain. Freezing rain continues overnight with snow to the northwest and to the north. Here's your planning forecast. Another storm on the way for Sunday. That's scattered snow showers during the day on Saturday. We're not done with this winter yet by any stretch of the imagination. Really, if you have 30 degrees at your house, you're hoping that it rains really hard. Because as I mentioned before, that's like pouring a gallon of water on a popsicle rather than just throwing a couple of drops on the popsicle. Those couple of drops are going to freeze. That gallon is going to melt the popsicle. Yeah. So in essence, you're changing the temperature of the surface by adding a lot of rain at once. I can't guarantee that. There's going to be some ice accumulation, especially if that temperature drops down below 29 or 28 degrees, especially in outlying areas. One more thing, the city of Cincinnati is sort of like a heat island. We were up to about 35 degrees today. We will probably be the last ones to see ice, but we will see some snow.
So here's rooting for a lot of